What's up? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here at 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are looking at an awesome product. This is made by AIRSEEKER. I have next to me the Tron, the Robotic Smart Lawnmower. Now, with this particular lawnmower here, this thing covers 2,400 square meters. That is close to, or I should say, right around 25,000 square feet as far as what's specified on the box. And it gives you 180-minute runtime with its advanced AI, or as I would call, object detection avoidance. This thing has over 150 plus obstacle avoidance that it will be able to detect and navigate, move around through. And it has a Mow setting between 30 millimeters to 90 millimeters in height. So we're gonna dive right in, get this thing unboxed, set up, because according to them, everything will get streamlined, 15 minutes to running. Let's go ahead and jump in here. Got our instructions. What do we have? A Wi-Fi repeater extender for larger yards. Our extension cable, and it looks like we got power, a transmit antenna, an in-ground yard stake. We've got our power charger here, extra cutting blades, the docking pad. Oh, that's kind of nice. And it looks like these are mud flaps. The charging base. Oh yeah, there it is. I got to admit, this thing is impressive. Let's put it aside. There are our poles for setting up that extender for the Wi-Fi. Last but not least, we have our base, and this is what the charge pad is going to dock to. So we've got it set up on the ground here. We've got it all connected. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start the process of activating it in the app. With the Tron AIRSEEKER Robotic Lawnmower, it utilizes a flow cut mowing system. That means it has an X-shaped vortex chamber with aerodynamics to vacuum grass upwards, ensuring that you're getting the best cut. This thing can tackle tall, thick, and wet grass. The AIRSEEKER has a height clearance for its chassis of 65 millimeters. And it's built to perform with high power hub motor with triple reduction gearbox. And best of all, it has larger Omni wheels with 30-degree angles inward, meaning that this thing is going to turn on a fly and be able to maneuver in all different cases, scenarios, and situations. And because of its strong motor, this thing is capable of going up to 30 degrees or a 65% slope. And if you can't tell by now, this is the first 360-degree AI vision mulching lawnmower. With its camera system that's occupied all the way around the lawnmower itself, it has the AI algorithm for obstacle avoidance to detect over 150 plus objects. This unit works over Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth, giving you the best auto mulching without having to worry about dumping. The AIRSEEKER Tron is built with an AI panoramic perception system and VSLAM. Once paired with the mobile app, the unit is going to allow you to customize your zones, easily allowing you to map your yard in 3D. It is equipped with 5 cameras and a TOF sensor system, giving you a sweet, comprehensive 360-degree viewing for a full, in-depth lawn analysis. And what I also love when it comes to the height adjustment between 30 millimeters and 90 millimeters, those settings can be done through the mobile app without interrupting your robotic lawnmower while it's in operation. You can change it on the fly via app. And you can also set the app up to cut in patterns.
It is going back and catching all of the patches of grass that it had avoided. So if you've got something in the yard that it avoided previously, it's going to go back and get it when it's moved. And here we have it showing coming up in our yard right down our path, getting that edge of the lawn.
This unit, I can't stress enough, I highly encourage, recommend it to anyone that is looking to tackle the heaviest, the workhorse. This is the best for the yard, and again, 2,400 square meters over, that means 25,000 square feet, or we can say it's 1.5 acre lot, giving you 180 minutes or 3 hours of runtime, and it's only a 3-hour charge. It is equipped and built in with the rain sensor, so it will stop and dock itself in the event if it starts raining, and it will start over once it stops raining. You can program this with the schedule. All of this can be done in the mobile app that comes along with your AIRSEEKER. This isn't just mowing your lawn. This is a lifestyle and a testament to enjoying your home, your outdoor experience to the best you possibly can. You have to try this AIRSEEKER because you're gonna love it. I can guarantee that.